is a quick service credit. Instead of a drink, I decided to have a chocolate muffin because I've got my refillable mug. Yum! So I'm back at Typhoon Lagoon after working here for 2 years. No, I worked here for 3 months, but it was 2 years ago. The car park is like empty. Like in the summer, this car park was so full. And even at like, I don't know, 9 AM or 8 AM whenever it was open. But this is so weird being back here. Oh, the wave pool's empty! Look how empty it is! It is so quiet! Oh my god! Oh yeah! So this is Snowcone, Pina Colada and lemon lime. Nice. I had some nacho cheese and sauce. Chicken is a quick service, and this is fried ice cream. Right, we're just walking up past Gangplank here because up here there's a walkway which I'm assuming a lot of people know about, but I don't know. But basically you can walk across and there's a great view of the ship up here. See, there's Gangplank. And then here you've got Mr. Lee. And then you can see across the park here. Then you come down here and there's the wave pool. Then you got the lazy river and some more slides around there. Lovely and warm today. I've only been here a few hours, but it's been good. We got everything done, which is the main thing. We're in the bar next door to the Yachtsman Steakhouse. We're going to have a drink before we go. We've had a lovely day. We went to Typhoon Lagoon and Disney Springs, but now we're going to go and get steaks in a minute, but we're going to have a drink first. I've ordered a Pina Colada. Yachtsman. Just got to the Yachtsman and here's the menu. Oh wow. There's a lot on here. Wowza. Ooh. So we can create our own garlic bread. We've got the bread there, cloves of garlic and butter. The whole family's laughing at me because they want to start eating. Got a blue glotini. So garlic. So we've ordered to share the 28-ounce porterhouse steak. It just doesn't do it justice. We also ordered the mushrooms as one side and the truffle fries as another. They look incredible. Very, very, very cool. Very nice. Right, we've got the dessert menu now. Oh my goodness, I know what I like the look of. Chocolate lava cake. Ooh, New York style cheese cake. Oh, there's a few things on here actually. So I've ordered the chocolate lava cake. This is really nice. We've got the s'mores dessert here. I went to Amorette's yesterday and I know it's really expensive, but I really wanted to get one of these. They are a lot smaller in real life. I thought they were a lot bigger, but you can get bigger ones. But this was, I think, $9 something with tax. But I just was like, you know what? I've seen so many vlogs on them and they're chocolate. And I've got to try them. So let's go. So our final Disney morning. Well, we've got tomorrow actually, but it's our last full day because we're flying tomorrow.
What?
He's gonna hit it.
What is it?
It sprays people. Watch. Oh, it didn't do it. First ride of the day on Fast Pass. Woo!
Compatible match of your genetic material with the genetic material of one of the avatar bodies that we already have. once we do that, you'll be able to link to that avatar and fly.
Throughout this entire experience, remain seated, lean forward, holding onto the hand grips, and supervise your children.
Oh! Cup. Starbucks time. So he's decided to have breakfast.
I would like it.
Oh, I'll have to get it out in a minute. Oh my god. Look at this snack credit. Massive. How's that breakfast for you? Birds are everywhere.
Of course there are.
But I don't like birds. It's time for dinosaur. We've had a Starbucks snack. Now we're going to go to our second fast pass, which is dinosaur. He's looking. You've woke him up.
Did you see the monkeys in the trees from your raft? Because there's always like a hierarchy. For the most part, but...
Oh wow, look, he's moving.
Yeah.
The other one was a girl. The one we saw before.
There he is. He wants to go through. Maybe that's his door. Yeah, I think that's where he goes in.
No, that's probably to the Boma sisters.
Yeah. That is a big bird.
Now that is some tail feathers.
I've gone in the aviary. I've done well. I don't do birds. They scare me. And someone just hit my head and I thought it was poo. But new animals on here. Yeah. Again and again. It looks so pretty. Look at the eagle. The bear at the top. We are under the tree of life. So pretty. There's a snake there. And we're going into the tree of life. So I went for the ribs at Harambe Market. It just come with salad and a salsa, but I'm pussy, I don't like that. And then I've had a slushie as well. So we're just leaving Animal Kingdom for the last time, sad time. But we're gonna go back and go to the pool pack, which I don't really want to do, but we've got to, because we've got a full day tomorrow and our flight tomorrow. But we're gonna go do that now and have a lay by the pool because it's really, really hot. Yes! And the bus is here. There we go. Hello! Oh, look, an empty bus. So we're at the top of Coronado Springs at the moment, and over there is the Swan and Dolphin. You've got the Tower of Terror, and then we go round. What's that over there? I've got my glasses off. Everest. Everest in the distance there. Wow. So that is Everest there. And then I think if we went the other side, we'd see Magic Kingdom. Ooh, we're at Boma. So we're now in Boma for our last meal of the holiday, which is really sad. I've gone for beef and mac and cheese to start, so quite simple, but I just love it. Yum, yum, yum. Second plate is we've got some ribs, some chicken bites, and some mash. Not Minich green, as you can see, but it's yummy. So I've got some zebra domes, chocolate chip cookies, and an Oreo cheesecake to try. How gorgeous is this tree? Animal Kingdom Lodge. We're so full from Boma. And we're back at Magic Kingdom, but we're not staying because we're going to hit the monorail to the Polynesian. Here's the Magic Kingdom. Isn't it pretty? We're not going in. You see the top of the Christmas tree actually. We are heading to the Polynesian Resort to watch the fireworks from the beach.
That's great that they have
Ooh, look at, they've got flowers in. Aww, the holly. Wow, this looks pretty. Pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty. The empty fuel rod in there. And then wait for it. Down here's the fresh one. There we go. Should we stand back here? So we're here to watch the fireworks. What's that blob?